Hi, Sarah Banas here, Simply Sarah Made Easy. I'm sorry you can't see my whole self. I wanted you to be able to see all of this, and it wasn't possible with the setup to show both. So, this is what I wanted to show you. This is the new Cricut Maker 4. Just came out. They were kind enough to send me one to show you. So, what came out? The Maker 4 came out, and the Explore 4 came out. Okay, so let's first get this open, and while we're getting this opened, I'll tell you a little bit about the new machines. So the new machines are much faster. I'm very excited to show you some projects with this. This is what comes with it. Okay, so in here we have, there's going to be a pen. There is a guide. There is a couple of sheets of self-adhesive vinyl. There is some HTV or iron-on. That's this. There is some cardstock in here. There's some transfer tape in here. There's everything you need to make quite a few projects. So you'll have everything you need to learn your machine, to get started, and just to learn everything, all the basics before you go out and buy more materials, and the materials that you want to expand into. And I mean, any of you who have been in using Cricuts for some time know that, oh, it's so pretty. This is really pretty. So this is a new color. This color is, let me see here what they're calling this one. Give me 1 second. So this one they're calling seashell. So the two new colors, there's a seashell and there's a sage. So in the US, Mexico, Canada, you'll be able to get both machines in both, but sage you'll only be able to get at Michael's, okay? Outside of the US, Mexico, and Canada, the Explorer will be in this color, which is the seashell, and the Maker will be in the sage, okay? So let's see here. Let's see, I want to go over a couple things. So the speed, they're saying that it is 2 times faster, including increased speed. And I don't know if it's 2 times faster with this or if it's a lesser amount, but it is faster with matted cuts, which is a big difference. And obviously we're all looking for as much speed as we can get out of these, especially when you're doing when you're using your machine for profit. Oh, this is so pretty. So let me go ahead. I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to pull this out, which is the charging cord. And, let me just get this whole box out of here, and that way I can then show you this machine. Look at that. How nice is that? Oh, this is interesting. So it comes actually covered in plastic. I don't remember my other machines coming covered in plastic. That's interesting. See if I can get through it with my nails. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me turn it around for you. Let me get this plastic off and I'll turn it around for you. Super, super pretty. I really, really like this. Okay. Oh, that is gonna look nice in my craft room. Oh, it's not even just a little, the lid is like sparkly. Oh, that's really nice. Okay. So this is the machine. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open it. So obviously, you'll take all these I'm not going to take the packing materials out yet, but you just pull those packing materials out. It comes with a fine point blade. Get my little notes out of the way here. Just 1 second. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so comes with a fine point blade. Let's see, what else did I want to tell you guys? Okay, the availability date. So these are going to be available in the U.S. tomorrow. So today's the 27th of February. The February 28th is when they're going to be available in the U.S. and then March 14th outside of the U.S. I guess that's about it. So I'm going to follow along. If you're not already following me on YouTube, make sure you do. I'm going to be making lots of projects with this. I can't wait to show you all of the neat projects and show you just how fast this can cut. I'll put one up of how fast it can cut. I'll try to do that tonight, and I'll put that up tomorrow. So right away you can see how fast it cuts. And then, of course, most of you already know this opens, so you can put all your tools in there. Oh, I'm so excited. This is a really, really nice machine. So I will get some videos loaded up pretty quickly of different projects making on this. Oh, I just want to tell you also, so as far as your tools go, so this will use the same tools. The Maker 4 will use the same tools as the Maker and Maker 3. The Explorer 4 will use the same tools as the Explorer. So no changes there, which is nice because if you're already a machine owner, you can, use all of your Maker tools moving forward on this as well. So you don't have to buy new tools. So, I guess that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Make sure you join us on Facebook, Cricut for Beginners. I will go ahead and I will link that in the video description. And that's about it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.